Hello, Scrappy Peeps, it's Suzanna and I'm here to share with you the 2022 Document December kit from Elle's Studio. So if you just get the kit, this is what you're going to get. So we'll start with that, and then there are some add-ons. So let's open the kit and start with the cards. So you get a selection of pocket cards. You're going to have some 4x6s. So there are 4 of those. I love that. And with some little twinkle sparkle on there, that would be fun. As well as a selection of your usual 3x4s. Those are upside down. Always one about the Christmas tree and traditions, so great places for journaling. And then I like to be able to access these pretty quickly, and so I will eventually dump this all in there. Not dump, that's very unceremoniously, but I will open them all in there. So these are the Season of Wonder die cuts that come with the kit. So your nice December 2022 that I like to use for my opening or my cover. That is fantastic because you can stamp that to, of course, the typical trees and the labels that you know I love. Some great circles, so great things for just labeling, more labels, and I will of course sort them as well. If you know me, that's what I do with all of my kits. So these are fun. Some shapes, your traditional shapes. More circles, that with a different font. Thanks, Santa. So just a nice variety of things to embellish the page with. You know, we don't really need a lot more candy canes or trees because those are what are in our photos, and yeah, you can use more of them, but I like these sort of non-specific elements that add color to the page, and so that's part of what I love about these Elle's Studio kits. So checklist, cookies, pajamas, presents, photos, red, and some more phrases. A little coffee cup on the end of that tag is really cool. Where am I? I'm trying to put a house. This was a magical moment. I love that the candy canes this year are also multicolored. Another one of these tags. So lots of fun goodies for labeling, lots of different fonts for December, and you can put the numbers in there, or write whatever you want in there. The holly, the traditional holly that we get. This is like classic, iconic Elle's Studio. More shapes, another little holly, and then, oh, what fun. So fun, 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 yay! And I will unceremoniously just scoop all of that into here as we move on to more goodies. So that is part of the kit, main part of the kit. And then also in the kit, you are going to get these 4 things. So you have your traditional calendar every year. I used to work years past. I've done this. I've worked in the Citrus Twist albums, and I've scored it so that, and then made it decorative so that it opened. But this year I am going to actually work in a 49th and Market album, and so what I've done is I've used this. Unfortunately it's sold out, this metal die, and I've created my own things so that I don't have to score it this year. So this will be different for me to work in this different size format. There's some pretty cool interactive things that I may or may not use. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. And I like these chipboard tabs. And then there's some page protectors, but I think I'm just probably, I love the pocket too. It gives me the option of putting memorabilia in there. But I think what I'm going to do is more than likely just do pages where I've punched holes in there, given that I don't have the page protectors. But I might also buy a few more of these 4x8 page protectors. We'll see, but I really like the 6x8 size. I just don't know that they have pockets for it. They have to, because there's one here, but having these two 4x6s is awesome too. So I'll have to investigate my options, because this was a Tuesday morning find, but that is what I'm working in this year. So calendar, I digress. Christmas traditional stickers. So I think you can see without the glare. Yeah, you can. So lots of fun phrases, and again, you've got the traditional hearts and stars that just add some fun variety, some traditional Christmas phrases. Love these little trees. And then chipboard numbers. Yay, these are really cool, and they would fit perfectly. Where's this? So those little December date things, right? These numbers would fit perfectly in there, kind of like those little countdown things that you can add and change the blocks. And then you could use something here to add more color to it. So these are the puffy label stickers, holiday puffy label stickers. So again, some more sprinkles, fave, fun, love, a moment of magic with some great Christmas phrases there. So that is the kit itself. And then add-ons that are available. So we have, of course, a paper pack, because it wouldn't be Christmas and it wouldn't be Elle Studio Document December without this paper pack. So you've got all of these fantastic papers to choose from. So lots of labels. You could use it as it is or cut it out. The confetti, I call it Christmas confetti. Nice green dots. I like that, the plaid that's split there. And Christmas rainbow. Candy cane stripes on the diagonal. Red tone-on-tone dots. I like these asterisks. That's fun. It's kind of like little snowflakes. Tone-on-tone hearts. All kinds of Christmas phrases. And holly. And sort of Christmas labels. These are kind of, they made me think of Heidi Swap. Either that or the label, the journaling spots that Elle Studio Stamps has. I love the pink and the red with the green. That's a new color palette together for Elle. Well, it's not really new, but one that's more prominent this year. The classic Elle Studio stripes, and then these really cool mint stars. And you will get 2 of each of those. I have used some of them, so that's why some of that is missing. You also get vellum numbers. Look at the shimmer. I don't know if I can make them shimmer with the lights. But so those are foiled on vellum. And I'm going to leave that there just in case I want it, but they do punch out. So you have all of the numbers for the month. Also available, you get these Christmas, these are add-ons, don't forget. So additional to, if you get the kit, and subscribers get 10% off, I believe. So these are tags. I love tags in my December daily or document December. So these are going to be super well used. Look at that, making a list, checking it twice. Perfect for a list, right? So great journaling spots. You could also put photos in there. So different sizes. It's nice to have that variety of sizes. Then you can choose from 4 different stamp sets. This is what I was referring to when I was talking about where'd the kit things go? I keep moving things and not putting them back in the same place. All right, well, I don't know where they've gone, but the little die cuts, you could make your own, because here's all this different fonts, and there's a bunch of different numbers that you can use as well to make your own. So that's cool to be able to customize that with your own color, print it on colored, or stamp it on colored cardstock or white cardstock. So that's the December grid stamp. You also have the Christmas phrases stamp. So days left until Christmas, bah humbug, peace, love, joy, Hearts, stars, again, these are classic, right? Elle Studio. Let's eat, a holiday feast or a holiday treat. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. So Christmas phrases stamp. You also have the fa la la stamp. So fa and la 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 la. I like this little checkbox, always nice, a little naughty, always naughty. And then some Christmas cookies, different layers to the cookie. Oh, what fun. Elf approved, December favorite, December details. And then the last stamp set is the Christmas Tabs Volume 2 stamp, and it always goes with the metal dies that you can use from the tab stamp from collection to collection. So, and again, just useful Christmas phrases that you can do pullouts from, and some cute little Christmas icons in there. That would be great for the calendar. Then for the dies this year, you have the 6-inch 4x6 inch 6-frame metal die. So this die, I've used it, but unfortunately I have cut it out with acetate. So you'll get the idea. So this die itself creates the window. So you've got 6 openings there. Then the second die has pop-up frames. So what happens is it doesn't cut the top here. So I don't know if you can see against, let me find a piece of the pattern paper, because it's clear and these lights that I'm filming with might make it difficult, but if you lift up, it creates a flap. So you could, if it weren't clear, have things underneath, but what I want to do is I want to stamp on here or have circles on here and have the picture underneath, or I'm going to have the picture on top and then journaling underneath that you can flip it. And you can do it with pattern paper, but I had this idea of what I wanted to do with it clear. So it was going to go something like that. And then what I wanted to do was take a little hole punch and notch, so you had little flip notches. This one's too big for what I want. I want to probably use a 1/2 inch, so you had little notches so you knew that that could lift up in this. So that is this year's metal die options, which is super cool. So then you also have 2 fonts. They're both the Jane Tile Alpha stickers, so you're going to have green on white or white on green. Those are your options this year for letters. Then for stickery kind of type things, you have 2 puffy sticker, or 1 puffy, 1 chipboard, and 1 just phrase stickers. So here you have some really cool, I like the stripes and the polka dots and the solids, right? Look at how fun that is. So hearts and stars, puffy stickers. 'Tis the season chipboard stickers, so you get a few of those classic Elle Studio cookies, Milton cookies, and other fun phrases that are Elle Studio that are classic. And then you get these Christmas phrase stickers, which is 2-sided. The others are single-sided. And again, with classic phrases. Advent calendar fun, holiday movie time, twinkle lights, so encompassing all of the Christmas holidays. And then these are the ledger paper stack, Christmas ledger paper stack. So again, you can use it for journaling, and there's just a bunch of, I'll just show you, that is the same thing, just on repeat there. So you can create your own pocket cards from that, or you could create a fold out from that. So that is the document December 2022 for Elle Studio. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the box down below. And thanks for stopping in today. Come back again soon. Take care.